Hi, I'm Gary Bebow, CEO of WRHS Health System, and this is my May CEO Connection. I'm really pleased to have with me today Jason Knott, a doctor who just joined us in November, an obstetrician gynecologist. Dr. Knott joined the practice of Drs. Carlton and Taylor, the Women's Clinic, and we're really pleased to have him. And so, Dr. Knott, why don't you tell us a little bit about your past? So, what did you do before you decided to come here?
Well, I'm originally from Georgia. Grew up in a little town called Cartersville, Georgia. It's about the size of Batesville, as far as population-wise. It was probably 40 miles north of Atlanta, so similar, as far as from the major city like it here is to Little Rock. But anyways, went to the University of Georgia for undergraduate, so I'm a Bulldog. Went to medical school in Kirksville, Missouri. After medical school, went into residency in OBGYN in Wilmington, North Carolina. It's part of UNC Chapel Hill's residency program. And after residency, took a job in Alabama, was there for 3 years, then moved to Tennessee for the past 4 years before coming here.
Well, I'll tell you, that's really a great background. And so you've been here and you started work with Dr. Carlton. What are your first impressions of WRHS Medical Center, and what areas of your specialty do you really enjoy the most?
Well, the medical center itself is nice. I mean, it's a big facility, or moderate sized facility. Definitely big for a town this size, it seems like. And that was one of the first things I noticed when I was brought in to interview, was they kept saying, the medical center, it's a big facility, there's all your specialties are here. And I'm like, how in the world is that possible in a town of 10,000? But it is, because it's here. I guess it's just from the large draw, the surrounding communities. As far as what I like best, everybody knows OBs deliver babies, and that's what most people, associate with us, is delivering babies. But we're also gynecologists, so we do a lot of, surgeries in that aspect. So as far as what do I like best, sort of both. That's sort of why I went into this instead of going into something else.
You really join a great group of physicians in your specialty, and Drs. Carlton and Taylor, I know you really probably enjoy. I know you enjoy working with them. Today I was up on the OB unit and was talking to the staff up there, and they couldn't say enough good things about having you on board. They really appreciate having you there and really enjoy being with you, and so you're really off to a great start.
Well, I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
I appreciate it.
Each month, Stone County Medical Center and White River Medical Center select Employees of the Month. It's our way of recognizing our staff members who really perform up and beyond the call of duties, really are high performers. This month, Judy Rector from Stone County Medical Center has been identified as the Employee of the Month. I've known Judy for a long time, and well, she's a great representative of Stone County Medical Center and well deserving of that recognition. From White River Medical Center, Robert Cole from our information system staff was recognized. In fact, I was the one that nominated Robert for the recognition. Robert's really responsive and really a go-to type guy, and so I'm really pleased that Robert was selected for the May Employee of the Month for White River Medical Center. I'm really pleased to announce that Dr. John Rines will join our adult psych unit. Dr. Rines is a psychiatrist. He currently practices in Auburn, Alabama, and he'll be the medical director of the Stepping Stone, our adult psych unit, and he'll also see outpatients in the White River Health System Behavioral Health Clinic. So we're really eager to have Dr. Rines join us at White River Medical Center, and during the month of May, you want to be sure to welcome him aboard. For several years, we've had a primary care clinic in Melbourne, Arkansas, and just recently we've decided to have the clinic open 7 days a week. The Melbourne Clinic is staffed by Kim Mosier-Smith, APRN, Naomi Miller, APRN, and most recently Virginia Hartness, APRN, has joined them. And so I'm really pleased with that increase in accessibility that's going to be provided to the clinic to people in the Melbourne area. Each month, Waiver Medical Center hosts a community health education event in the conference center. On May 10th, Dr. John Larson will make a presentation on chronic pain and helpful devices. So if you're available on Tuesday, May 10th, then come on over and listen to what Dr. Larson has to say. I know you'll really benefit from his presentation. During the week of May 9th, we will be celebrating National Hospital Week at White River Medical Center and Stone County Medical Center. Be sure to check your schedule of events happening that week and come out and participate in our recognition. This marks the 40th year anniversary for White River Health System, and so it's a milestone for us. And we'll be having lunches and pizza here at Batesville, but also over in Stone County they have a whole host of different events as well. So come and get your prizes and enjoy each other's company. Each month we create a calendar of events. On your pillar boards in the departments, you'll see those lists of events, and if any of those events interest you, be sure to attend. During this month of National Hospital Week, I really appreciate all the work and effort that we do to improve the health of our communities. If you have any ideas on how I can improve the CEO connection in the future, or frankly, how we can improve the hospital, be sure to let us know. So have a great month.